This is a video about how to install the different sized heads and the weights on the Gakushin tester. With your machine, you'll receive one of these, the simple hex wrench, that if you slot back in here, there's a screw that you can unscrew fairly easily to remove a head. This one is a 500-gram head. We also have 200-gram heads, and the different weights that we have are 500-gram weights, 300-gram weights, and 800-gram weights. Of course, to install it back on, you need to put the head through this hole right here. And the trick is to not tighten it all the way. You want to make sure that there is still some flexibility in the head, so it can wobble a little bit side to side.